A cordless drill provides a lot of power and versatility in a compact and lightweight design. Cordless drills are an indispensable tool for projects both big and small. Today's cordless drills for electricians run on lithium-ion batteries, providing us with longer battery life, while maintaining its ultralight design. A brand new drill today can run 50% longer than a cordless drill from a decade ago. In this video, we'll review 10 best cordless drills for electricians. Without further ado, let's get started.
Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8" 3-jaw chuck, 265 inch-pounds of max torque, 20+ 1-clutch settings, powerful 2-speed gearbox, easy to read charge indicator, powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver.
Get power and speed in an ultra-compact size. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. With the speed and torque you need for driving and fastening in tight spaces. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. The slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4 amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.